The screen is completely dark, silence fills the space for a moment. Then a faint electric pulse begins, like a heartbeat from the future. A low synthetic hum slowly rises, deeper and more powerful with every second. A single blue light appears in the distance, glowing softly, then multiplying into streaks of energy moving across the darkness. A calm but powerful voice begins. This is not just another electric car. The camera slowly reveals fragments of a futuristic silhouette. Sharp LED lines. A sculpted hood. A glowing emblem barely visible through the mist. Everything is hidden, teasing the viewer. This is a new direction in automotive evolution. The light expands, revealing more detail. Smooth curves, aerodynamic surfaces, a body shaped by wind and precision. Suddenly, a sharp transition. The Xiaomi SU7 appears in full cinematic reveal. Sleek, ultra-modern, low stance, pearl turquoise blue paint glowing under futuristic lighting. The car sits in a dark studio with reflective flooring, surrounded by soft drifting mist. This is the Xiaomi SU7. A slow camera orbit begins around the vehicle. Every angle reveals a different layer of design intelligence. The front fascia is sharp yet elegant, with ultra-thin LED headlights that feel alive. The illuminated Xiaomi emblem sits proudly at the center, like a symbol of a new era. A machine designed not just for transportation, but for transformation. The camera glides along the side profile. A coupe-like silhouette stretches smoothly from front to rear. The roofline flows like a single continuous stroke. Flush door handles blend into the body, disappearing until needed. Every curve is intentional, every line is engineered for performance and beauty. Close up on the wheels, large multi-spoke alloys, chrome finished, reflecting neon light as they slowly rotate. The tires feel wide, grounded, ready for speed. This is where aerodynamics meets elegance. The environment shifts. The studio fades into a futuristic cityscape at night. Neon lights reflect on wet asphalt. The Xiaomi SU7 now stands on an empty road, glowing under city lights. Then it begins to move. Slow at first, then faster. Silent acceleration, no engine noise, only electric motion. This is the silence of power. The camera follows the car as it glides through the city streets. Reflections of neon signs move across the glossy body like waves of color. The SU7 feels alive, responding effortlessly to the road. Xiaomi SU7 doesn't drive, it flows. Cut to a close-up of the headlights slicing through the night. Bright, precise, intelligent. The road ahead is illuminated with futuristic clarity. Inside the cabin, the scene transitions smoothly. The doors open with a soft mechanical motion. Interior lights awaken. A minimalist cockpit appears. A large central touchscreen dominates the dashboard. Crisp graphics. Smooth animations. Digital intelligence at every touchpoint. The driver display floats elegantly behind the steering wheel. This is not a traditional interior, this is a digital environment. The camera moves across the seats. Premium materials. Fine stitching. Sporty yet luxurious design. Everything is built around comfort and control. Ambient lighting flows across the cabin in soft gradients, shifting between subtle blues and purples. The future of driving is no longer mechanical, it is intelligent. Cut back outside. The SU7 is now on a long open highway at night. The horizon is endless. The car accelerates smoothly, hugging the road with precision. Motion blur intensifies. The environment becomes a tunnel of light. No vibration, no noise, only pure electric performance. The camera shifts to a low angle behind the car. The rear LED light bar stretches across the width like a glowing signature. Reflections ripple across the wet road surface. This is performance redefined. Suddenly the scene changes to rainfall. Heavy rain begins falling on the highway. Water droplets scatter across the camera lens. The Xiaomi SU7 continues forward without hesitation, cutting through the storm. The headlights pierce through rain like lasers. Tire spray forms behind the wheels. The car remains stable, powerful, controlled. Even in chaos, it remains in control. Inside the cabin, everything stays calm. No noise, no disturbance. Just smooth ambient lighting and a focused digital interface. This is comfort in motion. The environment transitions again, now a coastal road at sunset. The SU7 is parked near the ocean. Waves crash gently in the background. The sky is painted in deep orange, pink, and purple tones. The car reflects the sunset like a mirror of liquid color. This is where technology meets nature. A slow cinematic rotation around the vehicle. The wind slightly moves across the surface. Every reflection feels alive. The scene is peaceful, almost emotional. Designed not just to move fast, but to exist beautifully. Cut to a futuristic showroom. The Xiaomi SU7 is displayed on a glowing platform. White marble floors, soft golden lighting, digital holograms floating around the car showing performance stats and design highlights. This is not just a product, it is a vision of the future. The camera zooms into details again. The emblem, the headlights, the curves, the interior screens, every element feels carefully crafted for a new generation of drivers. Now the energy rises again. Fast cuts begin, high-speed driving, neon city, rain highway, sunset coast, interior cockpit, wheel spin, headlight close-ups, digital interface animations, every environment, every moment, every journey, redefined. The Xiaomi SU7 is shown drifting slightly on a smooth highway, controlled and stable, almost like it's floating on air. Sparks of reflection flash across the body as it moves. This is not about driving harder, it's about driving smarter. Aerial shot now. The car moves through a futuristic city grid, surrounded by glowing skyscrapers and digital billboards. It feels like a scene from the future that already exists.